Ever since I've been just a wee little one, I have loved making things. I'm not sure when I was introduced to the world of jewelry findings and charms, but I remember that I was totally in love with all the intricate parts and pieces that I collected over time. At first, I just enjoyed making jewelry for myself, but I started to get brave enough to give gifts to friends and family members. Several years into gifting my creation, I received a box with several pairs of the earrings that I'd made inside. With it was a note that stated, "I was going through my jewelry and wanted to send these back to you. They just aren't my style, and I thought you could take them apart and create something for someone else." I'm just absolutely sure that the intentions were to be really thoughtful, right? But that wasn't how I took it at all. I was totally destroyed with the rejection of this loved one not liking what I made for her. I made it all about me not being good enough. As a result of my insulted ego, I put my jewelry findings away, and I didn't make jewelry for some time. Truth be told, I'm fairly certain that the earrings that I had made for my friend were pretty amateurish, as they should have been. I was new at what I was doing. And looking back on this experience, the thing that really makes me sad is that I took it personally. Instead of just shrugging and saying, "Oh, well," it stopped me from getting better at my craft. Sometimes we might love something, but we find out from sales and feedback that we were the only ones that were nutso about the design. And instead of telling ourselves that we aren't any good or can't come up with anything anyone wants to buy, we need to just say, "Hey, I missed the mark. Let me do that one again." I have designed thousands of jewelry findings and finished pieces of jewelry. I can tell you, a lot of them weren't all that great. But what mattered most is that I just kept doing it. I keep showing up, setting deadlines for myself, and producing new work.